Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best filters for turtle tanks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fluval FX6 high-performance aquarium filter. This filter is suitable for filtration in tanks up to a staggering 400 gallons. Only the Pond Boss can beat this, and that filter is intended for ponds, not tanks. As you may expect, the canister itself is large, with a height of almost 21 inches, so make sure you have sufficient room to house it before you part with your hard-earned dollars. In terms of filtration performance, the Fluval FX6 is the best of the bunch, and it's not particularly close. In fact, it's too powerful for tanks on the smaller end. It's made specifically for large setups, and this is the only reason it didn't pinch our top spot. Ultimately, it's just not as beginner-friendly or versatile as the Fluval 07 series. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Tetra Decorative ReptoFilter. Both the decorative waterfall feature and rock formation help to create a realistic-looking habitat for your hard-shelled friend, and the extra tank space it needs is outweighed by the improved aesthetic. Unfortunately, we find the listed GPH is unattainable in practice. Still, as it's specifically made for reptiles, this should do the job for tanks within the product's recommendations, up to 55 gallons. The ReptoFilter uses a clever locking feature to keep turtles away from the internal mechanisms. This isn't something to be skipped over. Curious turtles often end up getting themselves stuck inside the filtering mechanism or gnawing away at its parts. Of course, the latter can turn a good filter into a hunk of junk in a matter of moments. At number 3, we have the Penn-Plax Cascade Canister. This Cascade range offers high-quality canister filters for tanks from 30 to 200 gallons, making it the closest rival to the Fluval 07 series in terms of available sizes. The aesthetic finish isn't as sleek as with the 07 series, but this certainly shouldn't be a deal-breaker, as it's likely to be stored out of sight anyway. It comes with an adjustable flow output rate, allowing you to gradually increase filtration as your turtle grows, or when you add another to the tank. Plus, the large open-style media baskets mean you can customize the filter media as you wish, and need not feel constrained by awkwardly partitioned or tightly spaced filter slots. At number 2, we have the Pond Boss Medium Filter Kit. This filter is for use in outdoor ponds rather than tanks. But as so many owners like to let their turtles spend the summer days playing in a garden pond, we just had to include it in our list. Just don't rely on the 320 GPH output, as we find this flow rate a little overstated. Still, unless your pond's greater than 300 gallons, this won't have any noticeable impact. Installation and cleaning are remarkably simple, especially for the size. Expect to only have to attend to it every other week or so. Plus, using this as a complementary filter for an outdoor space can help reduce the maintenance time requirement of your primary tank by putting less strain on your existing filter system. And finally, at number 1, we have the AquaClear 110 Power Filter. As this filter hangs from the top of the tank, it won't take up any tank space or require external storage area space. As such, it's our favored choice for space saving. It's sold in different sizes, but only the 20 to 50 gallon and 60 to 110 gallon sizes are suitable for turtle tanks, in our experience. This is because the advertised GPH flow rate is inaccurate, and the smaller sizes simply won't turn over enough water to keep a messy turtle tank clean. The AquaClear is a well-made filter, but there are infrequent reports of it suddenly not working. If you find this is the case, check the impeller. That's usually where the issue lies, and it can almost always be restarted with a little manual assistance. In any case, if you follow the manufacturer's instructions closely when it comes to cleaning, you're unlikely to have issues. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.